Hey everybody, if you're an artist, and by that I mean someone who does art, someone who does pictures or computer graphics or sculpting, or you're a musician, or you're an author, or a playwright, or an entrepreneur, or even a YouTuber, well, this is for you. Let's talk how to succeed. Now, by succeed, okay, I'm talking about maybe your vision is to put your artistic vision out there and have it be exposed to an audience, and have that audience like it, and have that audience then pay you to do more of your art. Okay, now if that's your idea of success, I got news for you. This is no longer art. This is business. I'll give you a moment to throw up a little in your mouth. But listen, this is actually good news, because if you're struggling with questions like, how can I reach an audience, and how can I get them to like what I do, and how can I get them to pay me? Okay, this is a particular area of business called marketing. And these problems have been studied for many, many years, and they've been mastered for many, many years. And we know all the answers of how to do this. And those answers have been written down in books that you can buy for like literally $5, and then you can read all the answers for yourself. Okay? This is something that a lot of creative people don't really know. Some people try and buy businesses and have them succeed. Some people try and do their art commercially and have it succeed. And they're unaware of this. Okay? Now, what I highly recommend is that if this is you and you're wanting to take your creativity and you're wanting it to share it with the world, and you want this to be the thing you do, this is your career where you don't have to get a day job, you can make money doing this thing, and you can take it to the next level and achieve your potential. I highly recommend that if you're struggling with these questions, get yourself a book on marketing. Specifically, if I were doing it, I would order a university textbook on marketing. It's really not that hard to read and understand. Go to your favorite university, look at their business program, see what textbook they're using in the marketing course, and order it. Okay, I have no vested interest on what book you get, but just for the sake of having something, I will put a link in the description to a very popular marketing textbook that I highly recommend that you check that out, or do your own research, order it online. Now, you don't have to pay $1 million, because a lot of these things, they come in different editions, and if you get the latest edition, it's going to be rather expensive, but if you get the second latest or the third latest edition, they're very cheap. They're literally $5. I've ordered university master's level textbooks online for $5 from Amazon or another retailer of your choice. I've done that before, and you can get these things for cheap. And the answers are inside. Read it casually, learn the principles. It'll shave years off your journey trying to succeed commercially and make a living at the thing that you do. I highly recommend it. Thank you very much for your attention. I will see you in the next video, and never ever forget, you're awesome. Take care.